Goddess Provisions box, which I'm going to open. Very exciting, best part of the month each month. So first of all we have the postcard, which I love these, I'm collecting these. So this gives you all the divine details of what is in the box. It tells you that you can refer a goddess, that you planted a tree, because for every box sold they plant a tree. There is a Refer a Goddess program, Moon Wisdom Club. It tells you who did the art. So I'm going to frame all these and put them in the house. And then it tells you what's actually inside your box. So yeah, so there we have it. And I think this one is called, yeah, the Luminous Light box. Luminous Light. So I've been really excited to unwrap this one. So, brass Suncatcher. Now, I always get really excited to see what's in these envelopes. There's something about these brown envelopes that Goddess Provisions put their goodies in. It says, hang this Suncatcher in your window to remind yourself of the endless beautiful cycles life brings. A bit tangled. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So pretty. So that's got what, a crystal on the end. It's got this beautiful infinity symbol. And then crescent and a crystal. Lovely. Beautiful. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. What else do we have? So that is an Aura face and hair oil, limited edition. Beautiful. And that, who makes this? Herb and Stone Apothecary. So this is a good thing about the little booklet, is that it tells you exactly what the item is and who it's by, and you can find their page on Instagram. Okay, let's see what's next. Ooh, some raw Chalco Pyrite. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at the colour on that. Excuse my raggedy old fingers. Wow. Awesome. And here we have a Luminous Light keyring. I can unlock my desired reality, it says on the back. Oh, this is lovely. Snowy Owl tea. Green tea with violet and lemongrass. Individual tea bags. How gorgeous is that? In case you hadn't guessed, I've got another camera just going on here, just so that I can film this for Instagram as well. So yeah, I really like Goddess Provisions. They're a wonderful company. They do marvellous things. They've been going for quite a while now, and all their products are vegetarian, vegan, and they plant a tree for every box sold. And yeah, they're just just a lovely company. You should go check them out. I shall put in a link into the bottom of the screen. So we've got a book here. Your intuition led you here. Daily rituals for empowerment, inner knowing and magic. And quite often we get books in these boxes, which is just, it's such good value. I'll put some information at the bottom about the boxes. And what we got here, Lunar Light Suncatcher's window decal set. I am balanced with the energies of the sun and the moon. Ooh! Oh wow! See those there. Anyway, there we go. That's what's in this month's. Well, that was July's box. I think now they'll be taking orders for August's box. Usually the cut-off point's around about the 16th of the month. So yeah, this one was a bit late. I'm showing you this on, you know, on the drag, as it were. So yeah, check out Goddess Provisions. They've got a boutique as well. It's not just about the subscription box. But yeah, quick unboxing for you. Okay, see you later.